So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to go to a viewpoint which is situated in the Ecard Hill, actually the opposite side, where you can see the Ecard Hill and other location as well. So the time is about 1 o'clock right now. I had a plan to go to the other two waterfalls that I planned, but since the weather was really bad, it was raining since last night and it just stopped in the noon, so I did not have a choice to visit the waterfall. So I thought I'll just go to this viewpoint this week, and maybe next week also I'll go to the waterfall. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please go watch it, and if you watched it, thanks for checking back. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we have taken a deviation from the highway. Oh, what is this? Oh, HP petroleum plant, looks like. So yeah, so we have taken a deviation from the highway and it is going inside this single lane road. So this is like even before Ecard, you have to take the other side, or you have to go to the other side of the Ecard Hill to see this viewpoint. So I'm hoping this is the right route, because I really don't trust the Google Maps that much. If you have seen my previous videos, you might know that always takes me to a different destination than I planned for. So yeah. Monkey feast. Okay, it shows this route, but damn, there's so many monkeys out here, and all of them looks like someone has fed them something. They're enjoying their lunch. Whenever I see such roads, I really don't trust that I'm going the right path. Yeah, no option, just follow the map, follow the route, and in doubt ask the local. Oh. This is the person who's feeding them. Good guy, good heart, caring for the wild. Such an open field. Look at the view. So calm it is. ஏற்காடு இப்படி ஓடுறோம், ஆனா எங்க கட் ஆகுது? ஏற்காடு எப்படின்னா போறது? இந்த ரூடா? Oh my god. Whoa. Visiting such places after good rain is really good because it feels so pleasant, so calm. Seriously, the view is so mesmerizing. Wow. Stay home, stay safe. Are you kidding me? Like it has never opened even after the lockdown or ever since lockdown. So what am I supposed to do now? I don't know. Let's see, Corridor viewpoint is one. Where is one? One is there. So from there, Chakramaha Meru temple, which is about 5 kilometers. Shivaroy temple, 7.5. Oh my god, that's all too far, man, too far. Okay, so there's a big truck standing in the middle, so there's no option for me to get the bike. Plus, they said people are not allowed here, but I could see one family was coming out of this point. So yeah, instead of waiting, it's just not sure if it's gonna rain or something, so it's better to go and see. And since it is so slippery, it's better to go and come. So yep, let's walk. Thank God I didn't get my bike inside, because this looks so damn slippery and deep. For sure I would have fell. So I think that's the point where we have to go park our bike. Can you go that side? Let's see. Yay! Okay. Thank goodness there was a way to come in. So actually you can come till here to park your vehicle. Right from there. Look how high we are. Man. Oh. Thank God there's no one around. See? No one's around. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. Man. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is amazing. I don't know, I hear some waterfall. But damn. This is crazy. Still foggy. Right, time for drone shots, so let's go start. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the drone shot. I could not take much of a view because it's like really high and the windy, so I could not get my drone too far, considering the fact it might go missing, and plus I had a birds trying to hit it, so I could not take it. But yeah, I tried to take as much as I could, but I hope you enjoyed that. So now let me enjoy the view for a while and I'll get back to you and I'll continue back. Look at the foreground. Okay, so time is almost 3:45. So yep. Can't take my eyes out of the view. Let's go.